Hey guys, welcome to Endo Graphics. Over here we create awesome designs with our smartphone. If this is something that sounds interesting to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so this flyer you are seeing here, we are going to be designing in PicsArt and Pixellab. 90% will be in PicsArt, then 10% will be on Pixellab. So everything is going to be done perfectly. So watch the video to the end. Okay, from the background blending, the gradient background set in PicsArt, and everything. So let's dive into the video. Okay, alright, so we head over to test. So this is a new trick on how to set a gradient background in PicsArt. You type the letter E, press the check mark. Okay, we head over to gradient, then color, then we select gradient. So we adjust our gradient. Okay, increase the size. We select the white part. Then we want to set it to dark red over here. Okay, something like this. So that we reduce the text, then rotate the text again, increase the size. We zoom in like this. Okay, yeah, you can use this trick for any type of gradient that you want. Okay, yeah. So this is how I set my gradient in PicsArt. So press the check mark over here, head over to add photo, look for the folder where you have your resource for the design. You click on this image, increase the size a bit, and click on eraser. Select your eraser, click on it again, increase the size, then reduce the hardness. So you brush up the hard part, brush it up like this. Alright, so after that, you press the check mark, increase the size and position it here. Okay, let's head over to blend. We set it to screen. Okay, yeah. So after that, press the plus icon, go from gallery, select this light effect over here, select it, increase the size, position it here, head over to effects, go to blur. So you increase the blurriness, then you multiply it. Okay, press the check mark, head over to blend, then you set it to screen, increase the size. Okay, and position it somewhere here. Okay, yeah, press the plus icon from gallery, we're gonna send in our logo. Yeah, so we're gonna position this particular logo over here. Yes, okay, yeah. Press the plus icon sorry, from gallery. Okay, so we're gonna import this one to increase the size. Okay, yeah, yes. Alright, so after that, let's push it somewhere here so that follow the line. Okay, so we click the plus check mark, So we head over to draw. We click on draw. Okay, so you can see here, this is the layer side. This is photo. You can add photo from here. So we click on this one. It says add shape. Okay, so we select this add shape, reduce the size. We're going to draw a line, so we reduce the size to 1 and we press OK. We're going to set our color to white and we press the check mark. We'll click back on it, on the shape again, press OK. So we click and we drag its key. Yeah, we go to the layer side, we click on 3 dot icon, make a duplicate. Okay, so we click on this 3 dot icon again, go to transform, then we move it down a bit, press a check mark. Let's select the first one, click on this 3 dot icon, go to transform, and we move it up a bit. Okay, so let's select the second one, click on the 3 dots, go to transform, then transform it as well. Okay, yeah, so after that we press the check mark, then the check mark again. So we're going to save this design, then we continue from PicsArt. Okay, alright, so let's continue. So we click on the plus icon for test, so click on edit. So you're going to type Redeemed Christian Church upload. Okay, click on rebold the text, reduce the size. Okay, so we change the color to white. We head over to font, then we're gonna select this font, Mont. So we're gonna use Montserrat semi-bold for this. Okay, let's reduce the size. We head over to line spacing, then we close line spacing. Okay, let's position it well. Okay, yeah, so we make a duplicate of this text. Click on edit, go to my clipboard. Yeah, I have the text on my clipboard, so I'll just be pasting it. Yeah, so worship with us. Okay, let's position this here. Go to font. We can use this particular font over here. Let's increase the size. Okay, so let's click on this plus icon, go for a shape, enable our grid lines, select the other one, place it here. Okay, okay, so let's select this particular gradient color over here, place it under this, and we lock our layer. Let's change the color of the text. Let's pick this red color from here. Okay, yeah, so worship with us. let's make a duplicate of this test. Click on edit to my clipboard. I'll paste this somewhere here, then reduce the size. Enter. Okay, I'll make a duplicate of this test and position it here. Click on edit, then I'll paste it here. Okay, yeah, then make another duplicate, position it here, go to edit, okay, we're gonna change this particular font, so this font, okay, let's increase the size. Okay, use the position to position it well. Okay, yeah, click on the plus icon, go for shape. We're going to enable our lines, our grid lines. Okay, yeah, I'm going to set a line to separate the text. Okay, yeah, let's position it well. Okay, yeah, so let's make another duplicate of this text, position it here, click on edit, repeat this one, make another duplicate, position it here, go to edit, paste the second one, and you position it well. Okay, make another duplicate, position it here, go to edit, okay, yeah, so click on the plus icon from gallery, so let's increase the size. Alright, so let's lock the layer. We make another duplicate of this text. Position it here. Go to clipboard and yeah. Let's reduce the size. Okay. Make another duplicate. Position it here, go to edit. And I post the text over here. Okay. Let me add. Alright, so yeah.